So today I'm going to discuss about class concept in C++. Class concept in C++. So what is class? First you have to know what is class. A class is a combinations of a class is what? It's a blueprint. It's a blueprint. Why it is called a blueprint? Because it is a combinations of data member. It is combinations of data member and member functions. Okay, combination of data member and the member functions. Okay, so in class there are n number of object, there are n number of methods, n number of behaviors. Method equals behaviors. Okay, so we can see with some examples. So class can categorize into two according to their member functions. So we can declare the member functions in two ways, like member function declarations. Okay, so member function declarations in C++. Okay, declarations in C++ are two ways. Okay, so two ways. One is inside the class. So we can declare the member functions logic each everything inside the class. Inside the class is before termination of the class. Okay, that is called inside the class. And another way is what? Another way is outside the class. Another way is outside the class. Another way is what? Outside the. So outside the class means what? We have just declaration the method inside the class, and we have to write the logic outside the class. That's why it's known as the outside the class. Okay. So before I'm going to some examples. Okay, just I'm going to write the syntax of the class. That's syntax of class in C++. Okay. So class syntax is what? The syntax of class. Syntax of class is syntax of class. Syntax of class means what? Class is a keyword. Follow with what? Follow with class name. Okay. And then the class consists of n number of data member and the member functions. Okay. So we have data members. Okay. We have data members. Okay. So I don't know how many data members I am going to test. Okay. Then we have a specifier. Okay, by default it is a private specifier. Otherwise we have to specify which you want, which is public, protected or private. Okay, so by default it is a private specifier. And then we have to add the member functions. Okay, this is member functions. Okay, so we can declare the member function with parameters or without parameters. There are n number of parameters with argument or without argument. Okay, so we have n number of member functions. Okay, we can declare something like that. So we can terminate our class with this semicolons. So this is called termination of the class. Okay, so this is called what? This is called class terminations. This is called what? This is called class terminations. Okay, so we have to, so we can declare this member function in two ways. Okay, like one is inside the class. Inside the class means what? So just we can take the small examples. It will be more clear for you. Okay, so inside the class means what? Suppose we have any class, or we have any class name is any I can give. So I just now for the time being I am giving the class name as a student. So we have any number of data member. Just I am declaring the data member as int a followed with any data type. So int b. So I have two data members. Okay, so follow with I am going to declare what? Member functions. Okay, so just any member function like void. I can give like void info. I can give any name of the member functions. Okay, so we have to initialize the value of a. So we can initialize the value in the two ways, either using scene user input values or the fixed values. Okay, so just I am writing that cout. So enter the value of a and b. Okay, so this is the main important. We are writing just user input value a and b. Okay, so if you want to perform any kind of operation in same member function, we can just I'm writing that int c is equal to a plus b. now I'm going to show you what is the meaning of inside. So I have written all the logic here. Okay, that's why it's known as a inside the class. So this is nothing but this is the inside the class. Same with outside the class. I'm going to show you small examples. Okay, small examples, because we had already a video of inside and outside. Okay, so you can go through that one also. So just any class, okay, class name is student. Okay, we have data member called int a b. Okay, so we have a specifier, just I'm declaring that public specifier, and void info. Okay, so now I have declared here only, but I have not written any logic here. So we have to write the logic outside of this class. That's why it's known as what? It's known as the outside the class. Okay, so we can so we'll get the full examples. We have already have the video of inside and outside class. You will get the more examples regarding the outside and inside. Okay, so in this way we can use the concept of class and object in C++. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Yes and Yes Lab. Thank you.